Hello and welcome. I'm Melissa, and thanks for joining me today. The one thing I strive for daily is making my house like a home. And when I say like a home, I mean what's going to make it warm, cozy, and most importantly, inviting. So this video, it's a little different. I am still striving to make my home warm and inviting, but not only for guests, but for my family as well. So come and join me as I make a warm, relaxing, and inviting family breakfast. So let's check it out. So for today, it's really just a relaxing morning at home with my family. We're trying to make it a little bit different, but hey, we're still going to keep that loungewear and pajamas on the whole time, just so that we are staying in the comfort of our home. Now, the first thing to do, I really like to start off with the table. I don't need to go overboard here. I just need the necessities, but it's always great to add a little pop of color just to make it more fun. Fruit is definitely a go-to, a staple item when I'm making breakfast. It's great to have that fresh taste in the morning. Now, yes, I used entirely too much butter, but pancakes are a easy, friendly, family-friendly breakfast to serve. You can use a variety of different toppings. You can make it a variety of different ways. And hey, look, even though I used too much butter, it still turned out really nice. Now, eggs are also a go-to item at my house. We actually like it a variety of ways, from sunny side up to, hey, I've even been adventurous and tried poached eggs. But scrambled is the easiest go-to when you're trying to cook a lot of things at once. And the really nice thing when you're cooking breakfast at home for your family is you can cook it with your family. And when you're a messy person like I am, it's always nice to have someone around to just help pick up those spills while you're going so that you don't burn the breakfast at the same time. So one thing I wanted to do was use parchment paper, and this was really just to protect the wood of my board. It's nice, and I don't want to ruin it with the oils and the grease from the food, as well as the fruit staining the board itself. And so I was able to just tape that down, cut it, and then I'm all set to create my design on my board. The thing I love about getting ready for breakfast is you can have a variety of homemade as well as store-bought. Even as far as bacon, I was tempted to just buy the 5-second bacon just for convenience, but because I had my family helping me cook, we tackled it all ourselves, except for those desserts. I'm really not good at creating such a perfect looking cinnamon bun, that's for sure. And the fruit, even though it's edible, it also works perfect for a garnish. And I was able to decorate the rest of my board so that it is looking to how I would like it to. And now it's beautifully presented for my family to enjoy. What really made this meal the most special it could have been and really exceeded my expectations was when we sat down and my oldest said to me, "I feel like I'm rich and I'm eating in another place than our house." And that was really the part of it, having a family, entertaining, relaxing day at home.